So this morning I checked my sourdough starter and it just sat there, bubbles blinking at me like it had absolutely nothing to say. That is basically a picture of my life right now. Some days it overflows and some days it just blinks. And I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing with this sourdough starter. But you know what? I'm having the best time figuring it out. Just me. Hi, I'm Sandy DeVore, and welcome to God's Fit Family, where life is an adventure. Nobody has it all figured out, and that is a completely fine thing. Here is what this channel is and what it is not. It is not a fitness channel. It's not a cooking channel. It's not a church service. But what it is, I want it to be a front porch place. A place where women doing real life can pull up a chair, exhale, laugh a little, learn a little, and leave feeling like they're okay. They've got this. We're going to talk about our faith, family, fitness, food, and fun. Because an abundant life is not just one of those things, it's all of them. And I have lived enough life to have stories about every single one of those. I married Parker at 17. We have built businesses. We've raised 2 children, sold everything at one point, and lived in a travel trailer for 4 years. And then last year, we started walking through his stroke together. I started running in my 50s because menopause drove me out the door. And let me tell you, I have never looked back. Any runners out there? Right now, I am trying to make Einkorn, I think that's how you say it, sourdough bread so Parker's blood sugar doesn't spike. And this morning's cinnamon rolls, well, they need some adjustments. But you know what? His sugar hadn't spiked. Do you have any suggestions for the light and airy part of those? If any of this sounds interesting, subscribe. And if you'd like to go deeper, I have 2 ways that you can do that. One, I have a monthly membership for ladies who just want ongoing encouragement, support, and connection together. We laugh, we learn, we do this life together. Second, if you're in a season where you just need someone to sit with one-on-one to help you get clarity, be heard, and find your next step, I offer next step support sessions just for that reason. Drop a comment below and let's talk. I'm here. This is God's Fit Family. New videos every week. Subscribe, hit the notification, pull up a chair, bring a friend, because the best adventures are always shared together.